Google just made traditional search obsolete. Is your business ready? SEO. December brought the biggest search change in Google's history. AI mode is becoming the default, with Google Discover pushing you straight into it. Type in the search bar, you get AI answers, not website links. Traditional search results with blue links are disappearing. Google is replacing them with conversational AI responses that answer questions directly on the page. This means fewer people are clicking through to websites. They're getting their answers without ever visiting your site. Digital marketing. Think about your SEO strategy. Position 1, position 5, position 10. None of that matters when there are no positions anymore, just AI responses with citations buried inside. If AI can't understand your content, customers won't find you. Keyword stuffing won't help. What works now is clarity, accuracy, and structured information that AI can actually comprehend. Paid media. Google's Nano Banana Pro AI completed rigorous testing and it actually delivers results. When you provide proper conversion data and clear objectives, it improves campaign performance meaningfully. But remember, AI handles optimization, you still handle strategy. Complex products and high-value decisions still need human judgment. WordPress 6.9 warning. WordPress released version 6.9, promising better performance. Instead, it broke thousands of websites overnight. Navigation menus vanished, mobile layouts collapsed, and content scattered everywhere. A temporary fix exists, but the permanent solution won't arrive until version 6.9.1. This is why you should never update production sites without testing first. One click, and your website could be down when customers need you most. This is our final industry update of 2025. We'll be back in January with more insights to keep you competitive. Happy New Year from Loop Digital.